to address the error code F6E1 issue in a Maytag washer. It's essential to understand what this error code signifies. The error code F6E1 indicates a miscommunication between the central control unit, CCU, and the motor control unit, MCU. Common causes of this error include a dusty control unit, system failure, or a defective control board. To resolve the issue, start by cleaning the control unit. Ensure the washer is turned off and unplugged. Then remove the top panel to access the control unit. Use canned air to blow away dust and dirt particles from the part and its connections. Reassemble the machine. Reboot the system by turning the unit off and unplugging it for a minute. Then reconnect the washer to power and restart it to see if the error code persists. If the issue remains, try resetting the control board by turning off the washer's circuit breaker for at least 5 minutes, which allows the control board's memory chip to reset. After applying power again, check if the appliance still displays the error message. If the error code persists, replacing the control board may be necessary to resolve the issue.